By all accounts, from the folks who knew her and worked with her, and many of those you will be hearing from, she was a gifted and talented artist, but above all, she was a loving wife and mother. These witnesses are going to describe the defendant's conduct as unprofessional and sloppy. You will hear testimony that she routinely left guns and ammunition lying around the set unattended. Ultimately, you're going to hear from us that there were not just these two, but a total of 6 live bullets that were found on the set, but that by failing to make those vital safety checks, the defendant acted negligently and without due caution, and that the decisions she made that day ultimately contributed to Ms. Hutchins' death. We found a photograph where there was one occasion where a live round was sitting right on Ms. Gutierrez's lap, and she failed to identify it. So that gives you an idea of what was going on that morning. Alec Baldwin was sitting on a church pew, and he was practicing this draw from his holster with the camera crew kind of close up on top of him.
And what they've tried to do, and what you're seeing in this courtroom today, is trying to blame it all on Hannah, the 24-year-old, because why? Because she's an easy target. She's the least powerful person on that set. When the state talks about Miss Gutierrez-Reed being negligent, what really happened is production was negligent. Production put her in that position. They put her in the position of having 2 jobs, a props assistant and an armorer, and expected a 24-year-old under really tough conditions to keep up with everything that was going on. You're going to hear from OSHA that Russ Production didn't adhere to several safety rules that they have to adhere to on set. That's why they were fined. They're given the largest fine in the history of New Mexico.